Good morning, students. Today we will learn that how can we find the area of scale and triangle. In previous classes, you have learned about that how can we find the area of right angle triangle. Like if triangle is this, B is base and H is height, then area is equal to half into base into height. Suppose we have a triangle like this, where altitude is given. Suppose this height is H and this base is suppose A. Then here we will find the area half into base into height. These are the triangles where altitudes are given, in which we can easily find the area half into base into height by using this formula. But if the triangle is scaling, where in scale and triangle where height is not given, suppose A, B and C, these are the three sides of the triangle. Clear? We can also use this Gidon's formula in finding the area of isosceles triangle, scale and triangle. In right angle triangle, we can find the area by these formula. Clear? So here first we find the semi-perimeter. Now what is semi-perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all sides. Semi means half. So half of sum of all sides. A plus B plus C. ये perimeter हो गया. If we divide it by 2, it will become the half of the perimeter. So it is called the semi-perimeter and it is denoted by alphabet S. Clear? And the area is given by the formula S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Where S is the semi-perimeter and A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. We will do some questions related to it so that you can know how can we apply the formula. Suppose these are the questions from your exercise 12.1. First we will do question number 3. Here the question is, there is a slide in a park. One of the side walls have been painted in some color with the message keep the park green and clean. Figure is given, two sides, in which sides are given. This triangular park sides are 11, 6 and 15. 11, 6 and 15. Now first we will find the semi-perimeter, smallest, which is equal to A plus B plus C over 2. 11 plus 6 plus 15 over 2, which is equal to 32, equal to 16 meter. Now we will apply the formula. Area is equal to this is equal to area. Now S 16, then 16 minus 11, 16 minus 6 and 16 minus 15. 16 minus 11 is 5, then 10 and 1. 16 is a perfect square. 16 बाहर आ जाएगा 4, 5, 10 के प्राइम फैक्टर्स बना लो 2 into 5. 5 comes outside the square root 2, so answer is 20 under root 2 square meter. So this is the area of the park. Now let us do the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is find the area of the triangle in which two sides are given and the perimeter is given. Perimeter is 42 centimeter and the sides are given 18 and 10. Two sides are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter. First we find the third side. Third side, how can we find? 42 minus 18 plus 10. Clear? So 42 minus 28, which is equal to 14 centimeter. Now we will find the semi-perimeter. Already we have the perimeter. If we divide the perimeter by 2, we get the semi-perimeter. 42 divided by 2, so it is 21 centimeter. Now area is equal to S S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Substitute the value of S. 21, 21 minus 18, 21 minus 10, and 21 minus 40. 21, 21 into 3 into 11 into 7. Now make the prime factors of these numbers. 7 into 3 into 3 into 11 into 7. Now here 7 square root से बाहर आ जाएगा. Again 3 and under root 11. So answer is 21 square root 11 square centimeter. This is the area. Now let us do question number 5. Now fifth question is, the sides of triangles are given in the ratio. So first of all, let us suppose that sides be ratio में दी है. So 12x, 17x and 25x. And the perimeter is given 540. Perimeter is 540 centimeter. You can also find the measure of side by using ratio method. Here I am using this method. So here the sum of sides plus 25x is equal to 540. So this is 54x equal to 540. So x is equal to 10. So therefore sides are 120 centimeter, 170 centimeter and 250 centimeter. Okay. Now again for finding area, first we have to find the semi-perimeter, which is equal to 540 divided by 2. Perimeter is given, so it is 270 centimeter. Now area, again write the formula first. S is 270. 270 minus 120. 270 minus 170. 270 minus 250. Here. So now it is 270 into 150 into 100 into 20. Calculation you can do according to yourself. Now here first I am taking the factor 10, 10, 10, 10. So 100 will come out. Left with 27, 15, 10 and 2. Now again make the prime factors of these numbers. 27. 27 means 3 into 9, then 15 3 into 5, then 10 2 into 5 into 2. So 100, 3, 9 का 3 आ जाएगा, then 5 and 2. So your answer is 9000 square centimeter. Clear? Now the next question we will do in the next video.